Good day everyone. So today let's talk about your Module 2 Lesson 1, which is angles. So now our lesson objectives for this lesson is at the end of the lesson you will be able to define and illustrate angle, classify the different types of angles, and represent angles through real-life models. So now what are angles? So angles or an angle is a union of two non-collinear rays with a common endpoint. The common endpoint is called vertex of the angle. Again, the common endpoint is called the vertex of the angle, and two rays are called sides. So the figure below is an angle. Its vertex is point B, and two sides are BA and BC. So the symbol used for an angle is this one. One atong symbol sa angle. The angle is an example, can be named as angle ABC, or it can also be called angle CBA. So the letter representing the vertex is written between the two letters. So for example, this is an example of an angle. So as you can see, an angle is composed of two rays, or the sides of the angle. Again, an angle is composed of two rays, or the sides of the angle, having the same vertex or shares common endpoints. So here, ray BA and ray BC is the sides or are the sides of our angle, while B is the common endpoint. Therefore, this is the vertex of the angle. So, in writing the name of the angle, always remember na kapag mo gamit tag 3 points, here angle ABC. As you can see, si B ang nasa tunga. Therefore, in writing an angle, always naa sa tunga si common endpoint or the vertex of the angle. Again, pag magsulat ta og angle, always at nasa tong tunga, kapag gamiton nato ang 3 points is ang vertex of the angle, ang nasa tunga. So here, angle ABC or angle B, since B is our common endpoint or our vertex, therefore this angle is named also angle B or angle ABC. So ana siya pagbuhat sa angle na ay two rays or two sides and shares one common endpoint or the vertex of the angle. Now, the symbol for an angle is like this, and more pinahigda nga L. An angle can be named using the 3 points. So, as what I have said earlier, it can be named angle ABC, where the vertex is written in the middle. Mo nang si B na sa tunga, kay siya ato ang vertex. So, dapat masulat siya sa tunga. Or with 1 point using the vertex. Pwede po nato i-name ang angle using the vertex point. So that's it for an angle. Now you can determine the measure of an angle in degrees by means of a protractor. You can do this by placing the center mark of the protractor on the vertex of the angle you want to measure and then placing 0-degree mark on one side of the angle. Then read the number where the other side crosses the scale. You can also use a protractor in constructing an angle of a given measure. So we can measure an angle using a protractor. An arrow from one side of the angle to the other usually denotes the particular measure desired. So if this is our angle, this is the measurement of our angle or the degrees of our angle. Diri nga area, diri makita ang measure sa ato ang angle. So using a protractor, ato siyang i-place sa 0. And if you move na to siya, this part is the measures of our angle. So now we have here types of angle. So we have here the zero angle. So a zero angle is an angle that measures 0 degree. So by name itself, pag may tag zero angle, ang iyahang measures 0 degree. So mao ni siya ato ang illustration sa ato ang zero angle. Another type of angle is acute angle. Pag may tag acute, an angle that measures less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees. Again, kung tag acute angle, less than siya 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees. In other words, mas dako sa 0 pero gamay sa 90 degrees. So our example here, we have 47 degrees. Is it less than 90 degrees? Yes. Mas gamay siya sa 90 degrees. Therefore, it is an example of acute angle. Again, an acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees. Another type of an angle is right angle, an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. Kung may tag right angle, exactly 90 degrees. Iyahang measurement lang yun is 90 degrees. Pag may tag right angle, 90 degrees. That's why we have here an example of 90 degrees. Again, pag right angle, exactly 90 degrees. How about obtuse angle? An angle that measures less than 180 degrees but greater than 90 degrees. So, obtuse angle, mas gamay sa 180 degrees but dako siya sa 90 degrees. So, here we have an example of 125 degrees. Is it greater than 90 degrees and 125 degrees? Yes. Mas gamay ba ang 125 degrees sa 180 degrees? Yes. Therefore, this example of 125 degrees is an example of obtuse angle. So again, an obtuse angle is an angle that measures less than 180 degrees but greater than 90 degrees. Now, straight angle, an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. Pag moingon tag straight angle, iyang measurement laana is 180 degrees. Okay? Now again, right angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle. Now we have here another types of angle, the reflex angle, an angle that measures less than 360 degrees but greater than 180 degrees. Meaning, gamay siya sa 360 degrees, but dako siya sa 180 degrees. Now, here our example is 210 degrees. Is 210 degrees less than 360 degrees? Yes. Is 210 degrees greater than 180 degrees? Of course. Therefore, kung gamay siya sa 360 degrees, but dako siya sa 180 degrees, therefore, this angle is a reflex angle. Now, last type of an angle is full angle, meaning ang tibuok na angle which measures exactly 360 degrees. So, pag full revolution na, it means 360 degrees ang measurement sa ato ang angle, and it is called full angle. So again, our types of angles, we have first the zero angle, the acute angle, the right angle, the obtuse angle, the straight angle, and we have the reflex angle and full angle. So now let's try this example. Identify the following angles based on their measure. So we have here 159 degrees. What do you call this angle? This angle is obtuse angle. Why? Because it is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 80 degrees. So pag greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, it means obtuse angle. Alright, how about number 2? 39 degrees. Very good. It is an acute angle. It's because it is less than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees. How about this number 3? 212 degrees. Very good. It is an example of reflex angle because it is less than 360 degrees but greater than 180 degrees. So, kana mo ninyong memorize on types of angle. We have zero angle, which measures exactly 0 degree. Acute angle is an angle that measures greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degrees. The right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is an angle that measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And the straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees. Now, reflex angle is an angle that measures greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. And our full angle measures exactly 360 degrees. Now, in our evaluation, name each of the following using the figure at the right. So we have here the figure in our right, and try to answer these items. So you have to answer these items, and your answer, pwede na to siya i-comment sa ato ang comment box below. So I hope you learned something in our video today all about angles in your Module 2 Lesson 1. Thank you, everyone. Good day and God bless.